Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Amazon. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 10th of April, 2025, our system has identified Amazon as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.53. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has incurred a loss of negative 4.44%. This amounts to an average decline of negative 0.55% each day since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a further drop is anticipated. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 27.82% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging between negative 30.75% and negative 23.46%. When examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 16.16%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 12.33% to 67.32% over the next year. In today's terms, this would suggest a future price between $194.53 and $289.77. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, Amazon stock upgraded to sell candidate. The Amazon stock price gained 3.5% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, rising from $167.32 to $173.18. During that day, the stock fluctuated 4.39%, with a low of $169.35 and a high of $176.78. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 1.19% during this period. Volume increased of the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 5 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 53 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $9.15 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $242.52 and the lowest was $151.61. Currently, the price is 28.59%, or $69.34 below the 52-week high, and 86.73%, or $1,132.2 below the all-time high on January 15, 2018, when the price reached $1,305.20. Amazon stock has recently experienced notable movement with a significant spike today where shares rose by 3.6%. This increase reflects a broader rebound in big box retail and e-commerce stocks, following positive sentiment in trade negotiations between the United States and China. This optimism is crucial for Amazon, as it enhances the perception of stability in its operational environment, potentially driving further investment in the short term. However, uncertainty lingers regarding Amazon Web Services, as reports indicate that AWS may be slowing or pausing its data center deployments, particularly overseas. While an Amazon executive has countered these claims of diminished demand, any perceived slowdown could weigh on investor confidence in AWS's growth prospects, which is a cornerstone of Amazon's overall valuation. The rebound in the technology sector, led by companies like Amazon and Tesla, also suggests a favorable outlook as traders shift their focus toward earnings and inflation trends. In the long term, sustained investor confidence can depend on how effectively Amazon navigates these challenges while capitalizing on market recoveries. As always, it is vital for investors to consider both the immediate market reactions and the underlying business fundamentals when making decisions surrounding Amazon stock. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned AMZN an outperform rating with a downgrade action. On the same day, it was reported that Bank of America Securities rated AMZN as a buy with a hold action. On Thursday, the 3rd of April, 2025, Citigroup rated AMZN as a buy with a hold action. On Monday, the 3rd of March 2025, Telsey Advisory rated AMZN as outperform with a hold action. On the same day, JMP Securities also rated AMZN as market outperform with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Amazon stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. However, for return on investment, analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 21st of April, 2025. So far, it has risen 3.5%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Volume is rising in tandem with the price, which is viewed as a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence short-term developments. The Amazon stock currently shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, contributing to a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal derived from the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels $176.29 and $190.10. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence. This indicates a sell signal. Pivots. A buy signal was generated 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands. A buy signal appeared 10 days ago. Short-term moving average. This showed a sell signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average. This indicated a sell signal 47 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages. A buy signal was detected 44 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average. This revealed a sell signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average. This provided a buy signal 40 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages. A buy signal was noted 30 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. Amazon finds support from accumulated volume at $171, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is regarded as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $7.43 between its high and low, which represents a change of 4.39%. In the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.28%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, typically observed in companies with established track records or stable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.37. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $175.26. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon encounters its first support level at $171. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of April in 2025, Harrington Douglas J. executed a sale of 2,500 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 12th day of March in 2025, Indra K. Nui conducted a purchase of 4,806 shares of a restricted stock unit award. On the 3rd day of March in 2025, Harrington Douglas J. again sold 2,500 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 3rd day of March in 2025, Jeffrey P. Bezos sold 239,843 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 4th day of March in 2025, Jeffrey P. Bezos sold 56,339 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 53.988. In total, insiders purchased 221,486 shares, while selling 747,262 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there's currently no stop loss in place. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Currently, Amazon exhibits several negative signals and is situated within a broad and declining trend. We anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly over the next few days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Our analysis has been updated from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 23rd of April, we expect Amazon to open lower by approximately 7 cents, beginning trading at $173.10. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.